Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down to Access System. Following that, select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, tap on Theme section, scroll all the way down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners. Then tap on the best theme for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And tap on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it though, go into exactly the same settings. But this time click on this plus icon under my themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and tap on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!